What type of potato is this one? This Irish potato.
Irish.
What type of potato? What variety of potato? Irish potato?
I don't know. I think for consumption.
Ah, for consumption. So
There
this is-
are a very big variety. For consumption is every the one potato is very good for cooking. Other potato is good for
baking.
for French fries,
Or-
or chips or whatever it is.
Right, right.
Now, shall we look here?
Whoa,
Here are the potatoes now.
whoa.
In a very small place, you can work very
We're
efficient.
very efficient.
Yeah, and you can here. Moment. Okay.
That's precision.
Yeah. No. And
What
they
does
can-
that one do?
They can blow up that close the gap, and then they put air through the whole line. That's for ventilation.
Oh, wow. Wow.
See, now you have a small surface and a big volume of
Big volume of potatoes.
You can take what you want. If you have
One other set that you need to take.
yeah. Here, now we take 2 boxes of that.
Awesome.